Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Lily V and today we are going to review Everyday Luxuries Collection by Bath and Body Works. Meron tayong mga decants dito from Decants Avenue and yung shop link ilalagay ko na lang sa description box. Natin si Covered in Roses. What it smells like, savor the softness of lush florals and immerse yourself in the luxury of 1,000 rose petals at your fingertips. Fragrance notes, ruby berries, sugared rosebuds, and blush amber. This is a gorgeous rosy scent, but this is a bit heavy floral so kung madali kang mahilo sa mga ganitong scents, I won't recommend this to you. Nangingibabaw yung amoy ng rose and at the same time andun din yung rich powdery scent from amber which made it more sophisticated. It feels like you're in a garden full of roses. The smell is so romantic. You can wear this when dating or kapag attend kayo ng special occasions like weddings. This kind of scent is so perfect. Next is Pink Obsessed. What it smells like? We made you blush. Embody the power of pink and take a trip to your happy place with this perfect blend of vanilla and warm florals. Fragrance notes, blushing jasmine, cashmere praline, and vanilla bourbon. Kung magbe-base lang ako sa fragrance notes niya, this must be floral gourmand. Pero nung inamoy ko siya, more on fresh floral siya and very light lang yung vanilla scent niya. Smells pretty floral na parang bagong ligo din. At dahil merong jasmine note, iisipin niya na baka amoy simbahan siya. Pero actually, hindi siya amoy jasmine. Basta amoy fresh, delicate floral siya. This is so feminine and clean. Ang linis, ang fresh, ang banayad niya sa ilong. For me, this is the kind of scent every girl should have. Next natin si Petal Parade. What it smells like taking your first steps into your favorite flower shop, shower yourself in this flower petal confetti, and celebrate you. Fragrance notes, neroli petals, orange flower, and white woods. This smells fresh, bright florals. And totoo nga, para kang pumasok sa isang flower shop. This is so relaxing. Amoy malinis, amoy nature. So, if you are into fresh florals, I think magugustuhan mo si Petal Parade. Mild lang din siya. For me, hindi siya masakit sa ilong. Pero kung nag-explore ka pa lang or hindi ka talaga into floral scents, much better kung itatry mo muna siya in decants. Next is Getaway Soiree. What it smells like? Say farewell to your blues. Brighten your day with a spritz of sunshine that is sure to transport you to your own vacation getaway. Fragrance notes, sun-kissed mandarin, tuberose, and solar musk. This is a rich, citrusy floral. Andun yung zest, which makes it fresh na may konting kilig. Yung sourness, nababalance ng tuberose kaya hindi siya totally maasim. This is also intoxicating and calming. Feels like you're in a beach, just watching the sunset, enjoying the breeze, parang ganun. I love how this scent bring me into that kind of scenery kahit by smelling it lang. Next is Floral Fantasy. What it smells like? Close your eyes and feel transported into your wildest dreams. Embrace the tranquility and peacefulness of your own secret flower garden. Fragrance notes, peach osmanthus, jasmine, and warm patchouli. Sa simula pa lang, maamoy mo na agad yung warm patchouli. And yung patchouli din talaga yung pinaka nangingibabaw even sa dry down. May pagka-musky din siya which gives that slight seductive punch. So definitely for me this is a mature scent. Maamoy mo din yung konting fruity sweetness from peach osmanthus pero medyo natatabunan talaga siya ng patchouli note. So overall, this is a sexy floral scent. Next is On the Horizon. What it smells like sitting at the ocean's edge and watching the sun dip beneath the horizon. Transport yourself to this waterfront retreat and let your worries drip away. Fragrance notes, watery bergamot, lotus blossom, and dripwood moss. This one reminds me of, hindi ako sure kung pwede siyang dupe kasi sobrang tagal na since last time na naamoy ko si Aspen. Pero siya yung agad kong naalala. So anyway, this is a super fresh, green, watery scent. Napaka-fresh niya. Pwede siyang pang-unisex. This really suits our climate here in the Philippines. Dahil ang init talaga dito most of the time, so wearing fragrances like this one somehow refreshes you. Next is Lost in Santal. What it smells like? Let's get lost in the secret of sandalwood. Rediscover yourself with this woody and sophisticated scent. Fragrance notes, warm cardamom, satin sandalwood, and cedarwood. This one smells like freshly cut wood, as in straightforward, fresh cut wood siya. So sophisticated, something you can wear if you want to smell formal. Like going on a meeting, job interviews, or just simply going to work. For me, this scent gives you that impression na parang ang seryoso mong tao. Ang simple lang ng amoy pero ang lakas ng impact. Next is Viva Vanilla. What it smells like? Revive your senses and live life on the edge of comfort with this vanilla luxury bursting with spirit and spunk. Fragrance notes, rich plum, glowing amber, and addictive vanilla. The amber and vanilla really blends well. Yung plum note maamoy mo siya once nag-dry down na. This is a gorgeous and luxurious vanilla scent. Hindi siya ganun ka-sweet gaya ng mga ibang vanilla scents. Sa collection na to, for me, siya yung number one when it comes to being luxurious. This is an elevated vanilla scent, not your typical gourmand vanilla thing. Next is Oh Cherry. What it smells like? An irresistible addiction. Bring on the bowl with this punch of red fruit. This fragrance puts the cherry on top. Fragrance notes, black cherry, sheer magnolia, and tonka bean. This is a very fresh cherry floral scent. Fresh cherry siya ha, hindi siya amoy cherry bubblegum or yung amoy cup syrup. And straightforward na fresh cherry lang siya talaga. Mas angat ng konti yung magnolia note niya and may konting sweetness which made it smell inviting. And last but not the least, If You Musk. What it smells like? If you must know, this scent was made for you. Let your natural radiance shine with this everlasting scent that brings out the best in you. Fragrance notes, iris, pink pepper, and airy musk. At first sniff, andun agad yung spice from pink pepper. Parang siya yung nagbibigay ng pop sa scent. Parang pagkaamoy mo sa kanya, may wow factor agad. And yung iris, which is one of my favorite floral note, brings out elegance along with the airy musk. Mild lang siya, isa rin siya sa pinakanagustuhan ko sa collection na to. Sophisticated and feminine, this is something you can wear every day, fresh and mild lang siya. Overall, this is a mild floral with soft musk. Everyday Luxuries collection is worth to collect. Walang tapon sa kanila. Kung naghahanap ka ng mga amoy mamahalin, amoy sosyal, explore this collection, siguradong may magugustuhan ka sa kanila. Mapa-gourmand, floral, or fresh scent man yan. At yan guys ang ating review for Everyday Luxuries collection by Bath and Body Works. So hope you guys enjoy this video and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.